Hey guys, today we're gonna be installing the cabinets, the white cabinets in the kitchen here. As you can see, I'll show you the after, how it looks like. This one's gonna be right here. These are the hanging ones to go on the top. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. The cabinets we had, that's what we work with. So some might be odd, but this is what we had, that's what they bought. Easy to install. Make sure you screw them on at the studs. Level it. If you have to shim it, just shim it also. The dishwasher gonna come here, and the range up there gonna be the microwave range. This is another piece here. The fridge gonna be in this section here, and they're gonna have like an island with a extra sink here, another sink here, the main sink here. We didn't put this, we just put this in place, but it needs to come back a little more so it can clear the entranceway and the basement door here. But this is intact here with outlets. Another outlet there, outlet here with a switch. That's for the dishwasher. Power here for the sink, the sink crusher. There's another GFI and a switch here. It's gonna be a fixture up there. We still have to put the molding for the top of the cabinets. We just put it there for now. They're gonna put the countertops. So it's not fully finished, but it's together. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.